Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this node addition. If suppose my VCS cluster is configured for two node, and if suppose I want to add the another node in the same cluster, then how we can do this activity for this node addition in the cluster. So I'm using this two node, that is server and one is the client. So in our lab, there is actually my laptop not having the enough memory. That's why I am not creating the third node, but I am showing how to add the third node on the same cluster. So first you need to check on the one server, that is cat space slash etc slash llt host. So here if suppose you want to add the another node, so you need to specify, that is 0 1, this is the priority. If suppose I want to add the another one, then you need to edit it and mention the another node with the priority 2, and the suppose the another node, that is node 3. So you need to specify under this file. Another command, that is cat space slash etc slash gap tab. Here is the n2. So you need to specify, here is the n3 for the 3 node cluster. This n2 is specifying for this gap setting. So to avoid this gap setting, you can use this n3, that is the numbering you need to set here. Then you need to check the cluster id. Another command, that is cat space slash etc slash llt tab. Here is also you can check the cluster id. Here is the id, that is 28571. This is my cluster id. So under this cd space slash etc slash, I'm checking cat space slash etc slash dot uuit vx slash uuit uids slash cluster id. So this is the cluster id you will get using this command. So this cluster id you need to add on the another server on same configuration file. This is the cluster id you need to use to attach the third node. So this configuration needs to be same on the three nodes. Then I am adding the third node using this hacon hyphen make read write. First this command you need to use. Another command, that is hsc space hyphen add space, I am giving the node name, that is node 3. Suppose is my third node, you can add. Then you need to dump it using this hacon hyphen dump hyphen make read only. Now this third node is added in your cluster. Now you need to go on the node 3, go to node 3 and run below command. You can check, that is cat space slash llt tab. You will get into another node, that is node 3. Then same command, that is gap tab. You can check either this n3 is added or not. You need to add if it is not there. Then you need to use, that is ha start. You need to start the ha on the node 3. Then you can check again this uid is available or not. Same uid you need to mention there. And then you need to check the ha status hyphen sum command on the node 3. Then I am adding the node 3 in the system list using this hacon hyphen make read write. This command you need to use ha group hyphen modify space. You need to specify the service group name. This is the service group name, and you need to specify the system list. System list is nothing but your group attribute. You need to specify here space hyphen add space. You need to mention the node name, that is node 3, and give the priority. I have given this server and client, that is 0 1, so here you need to specify 2. This is the priority you need to set here, and you need to dump it using ha conf hyphen dump hyphen make read only. So using these commands you can add the another node on your cluster. And if suppose you want to remove these newly added cluster nodes, so you need to use again the another commands, that is same. You need to specify ha conf hyphen make read write, then ha sys space hyphen delete space. You need to specify the node name, that is node 3, then you need to dump it this configuration into main.cf file. Then go to the node 3 and use the below command, and you can remove this file which you have added, that is LLT tab. Under this LLT tab you can remove it. Then the LLT host you need to remove if you have added, that is to node 3. In cap tab you need to remove this n3 to n2. So these are the commands you can use to add the another node in your existing cluster. So this is the very useful information you need to know while adding the another node in the cluster. So thank you guys.